Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. In the lesson of today, we are going to cover the following. Number 1, meaning of outliers. Number 2, causes of outliers. Number 3, outliers detection method. Number 4, detecting outliers using zero score. Number 5, handling outliers. We begin with number 1, meaning of outliers. Outliers is an object that deviates from others. Therefore, any observation which deviates much from others to arouse suspicion, it was generated by different mechanism. Outliers usually belong to mistake in data or true outliers. That's the meaning of outlier. Number 2, causes of outliers. The following are the causes of outliers. Number 1, data entry error. Number 2, measurement error. Number 3, experiment error. Number 4, data preprocessing. Those are the causes of outliers. Number 3, outliers detection methods. The following are the methods which are used for detecting outliers. Number 1, zero score. Number 2, linear regression model. Number 3, proximate based model. Number 4, information theory model. Those are the methods which are used for detecting outliers in data science, data mining, and machine learning. Number 4, detecting outliers using zero score, hands-on. So here I create a new Jupyter notebook. Then I name it as outliers. Yes, something like this. Outliers. Then we need to load our dataset before we begin an operation of detecting outliers. So import pandas as PD. From pandas, import read underscore CSV. Then file name is equal to clean bootcamp.csv. Data is equal to read underscore CSV. Then file name, yes, data.head to display first 5 rows. Now we can see this is our dataset and these are the 4 columns of our dataset. Our intention of this tutorial is to check for outliers in column edge. So let's select column edge and store it in a variable called x. So x is equal to data edge x.head to see 10 rows, something like this. Now we can see these are the rows of column edge. So that's it. We have selected it into X. Now we want to check for outliers. So we need to import from SciPy, import stats, import numpy as np, Then after that, we need to define a threshold. Let's put 300, right? Or let me put 500. The aim of defining threshold means that there is no human being who can exceed 500 years. If any, that is outlier, right? So after that, Z is equal to np dot abs, then bracket stats dot z score, then we pass the column we want to check. Then after, we need to print np dot where bracket x is greater than threshold. Now let's run this cell. Now we can see there are two rows with outliers. Outlier is present in row number 0 and 5. And here we can clearly see that there is no human being who can have 2,000 years or 2,500 years. So first 0 column and 5 column are the outliers. So we are done with how to detect outliers using zero score. So our 5 part of this tutorial is handling outliers. How can we handle outliers? Actually, I'll give you two methods for handling outliers. Method number 1 is dropping the outlier record. Method number 2 is assigning a new value. So we can assign a new value to this row and this row, or we can drop them. A method which I'm going to implement is to drop an outlier. So here I can drop it data.drop bracket, then I specify rows I want to drop them, then axis is equal to 0, then impress is equal to true, something like this. Then after dropping, let's check first 5 rows. Let's run this cell. Here it is 0. Yes, something like this. Let's run this cell. Now we can see column, there is no column number 0 and the column number 5 because they are already deleted, right? Column number 0 and column number 5 are already deleted. Actually, this is an end of our today's lesson. Just to put a summary of what we have learned. We have learned the meaning of outliers. Then we learned the causes of outliers. We learned the outliers detection methods, detecting outliers using zero score, and handling outliers. Actually, this is an end of today's lesson. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. See you in the next tutorials. Goodbye.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.